Dear learners and future safety superstars, welcome my lecture number 12. This video tutorial, we are learning how health and safety culture of an organization can be improved. And in this regard, today we will learn about the role of competent workers in improving health and safety culture of an organization. Have you ever wondered how yes, you, can make a difference in keeping your workplace healthy and accident-free? Well, be ready because we are about to dive into the world of competent workers and their vital role in building a rock-solid health and safety culture. Think of a health and safety culture as a durable bridge connecting everyone in your workplace. It's not just about following rules or avoiding accidents. It's about everyone taking ownership of their well-being and looking out for each other. And guess what? Competent workers are the engineers and architects of this bridge. A competent work person is a person, a worker who has sufficient training, knowledge, experience, and other abilities or skills to be able to carry out their work safely and without risk to health. It is the responsibility of the employer to ensure that workers are competent to carry out the tasks that they have been allocated. The more competent the worker, the better able they will be to do their job safely. This has a positive influence on health and safety culture. In order to determine competence, the employer may check qualifications, request references, or verify membership of professional bodies. Managers should also be competent. This means that all managers should have an understanding of the health and safety implications of the decisions they make on a day-to-day basis. This is often overlooked. For example, if a manager is in control of a warehouse, then they must understand the difference between safe and unsafe forklift truck driving. They do not need to be able to drive a forklift truck themselves, but they must have sufficient knowledge to spot good and poor behavior when they see it. Competent workers play a crucial role in improving health and safety culture in several ways. They have sufficient knowledge and skills in hazard identification and risk assessment. Competent workers understand their work environment and can identify potential hazards and assess their risks. This awareness allows them to take proactive measures to prevent accidents or ill health. Safe work practices, they possess the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their tasks safely, following established procedures and using proper equipment. This reduces the likelihood of errors or unsafe shortcuts. Problem solving and continuous improvement. Competent workers can analyze incidents and near misses, identify root causes, and suggest solutions to improve safety procedures. This fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement. They can communicate well and show leadership by reporting hazards and concerns. They feel empowered to report any safety concerns or near misses without fear of repercussions. These open communications allow for timely identification and mitigation of risks, peer-to-peer learning, and mentorship. Competent workers can share their knowledge and experience with others, both formally and informally. This creates a culture of mutual learning and support for safe practices. Leading by example, they demonstrate safe behavior in their own work and activity and actively encourage others to do the same. This leadership sets a positive tone and reinforces the importance of safety within the team. They display engagement and ownership by taking initiatives and responsibility. Competent workers take ownership of their safety and the safety of their colleagues. They are proactive in identifying risks, reporting concerns, and participating in safety initiatives. Positive attitude towards safety. They value the importance of a safe work environment and are actively engaged in maintaining it. This positive attitude fosters a culture of shared responsibility and mutual respect. Adaptability and proactive approach. They readily adapt to new safety procedures and regulations, actively seeking information and staying updated on best practices. This flexibility promotes a culture of continuous improvement and responsiveness to emerging risks. Now, I am going to explain some additional ways to empower competent workers to contribute to a positive health and safety culture. Provide comprehensive training and safety education programs. Encourage open communication and feedback on safety issues. Recognize and reward safe behavior and contributions to safety improvements. Involve workers in safety committees and decision-making process. Promote a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Competent workers are not just passive recipients of safety instructions, but active participants in building and maintaining a positive health and safety culture. By leveraging their knowledge, skills, and commitment, organization can significantly improve their safety performance and create a healthier and more productive work environment for everyone. By building the competence and engagement of your workforce, you can create a thriving health and safety culture where everyone takes ownership and works together to prevent accidents and ill health. Once again, on behalf of Safe Circle Global, thank you for your valuable participation in this learning tutorial. Please keep watching and learning.